This old electronic scrap is being torn apart in the search for a precious metal. Can you guess which one it is? In so many of our favorite electronic devices, old ones and new, there's gold. And in this case, it's being extracted using a special chemical process. First, an aqua regia solution is mixed up that breaks down all that gold to make it soluble and remove it from the plastics it's attached to. Looks a little strange, all that dirty brown and yellow liquid, but what's dripping through there will end up becoming gold. Once the liquid is obtained, that gold-bearing aqua regia and ammonia water are mixed. Once they've mixed well, the mixture will be filtered, and you can see it reacting already. Watch how the separation happens. Incredible, and you can see some not-so-safe fumes coming away. This is definitely something to be done in a well-ventilated area wearing personal protective equipment, including a mask. And definitely something to keep an eye on, because although it happens slowly, it's quite spectacular. All of the liquid now poured out, and look what's at the bottom. A sediment to be rinsed a few times to ensure that every last bit of that sediment is extracted, because that sediment is what contains the gold. It now needs to be heated and then baked. Doesn't look too fancy just yet. All scraped and collected. Now that it's been heated, those small flakes, all that's left is dropped into a crucible that's electronically heated, and a little bit of borax will be dropped on top once it's heated, and that will help the gold to solidify and become a tiny little nugget of treasure. And while it might not be super impressive how much comes out of it, that's just one CCTV camera. I'm not saying rip open all your electronics and start digging, but the next time you're considering throwing one away. So learn a little bit about chemistry, maybe a little bit about how easy it is to pull gold out of old electronics. Worth a try. Maybe. Definitely worth something.